Do you feel like you need to hit a big reset button on your day? I'm Micah, and I'm here to guide you through 5 minutes of breathing and yoga that will leave you feeling amazing. Let's get started. Find a comfortable seat. If that's a chair, that's great. I designed this to be done in a chair. Just make sure you're sitting up tall away from the back of the chair. Your hands are resting down on your knees for now. Your shoulders are soft. The back of your neck is long, so you have a slight tuck of the chin. And then take your hands and wrap them around your rib cage. So your thumbs are behind you, and it's near the bottom of your rib cage. And the next time you breathe in, feel your rib cage expand out into your hands. And then when you breathe out, your rib cage just returns and softens back down. And breathe in, feel it expand out wide. And breathe out as it softens down. Good. Notice the back of your body as well. That's why our thumbs are wrapped back there. So you're breathing out, expanding your back as well. Breathe in. And breathe out. If you'd like to close your eyes, feel free. Just tune in. 2 more breaths like that. And 1 more. Great. When you're done with that breath, release your hands down. So your right fingertips are down on the mat or maybe holding onto the chair, and your left arm stretches up and over, extending through the fingertips. You can get low here if it feels good. If this is too much for your shoulder, just take it on your hip. And then let's release that and go right into the other side. Left fingertips down, right arm reaches up and over. As you breathe, you're feeling the right side of your body expand. And then let that go. Sit up tall, open your arms out, lift the chest, press the back of your hands back, and then give yourself a hug. And as you hug in, round your spine, bring the belly button in and lower your gaze. Breathe in and open back out. It's like, oh, it's going to be a wonderful day. And breathe out, round in. Now this time the other arm comes on top, just to confuse you. Breathe in, open out. Breathe out, round in and hug. 1 more time, breathe in and open. Breathe out, other arm on top, round in. And now breathe in and open. And breathe out, release your hands down, shake it out a bit, and bring your arms into cactus. Inhale here, and exhale, twist to the right. Now you can lower this hand down to the knee, that's your left hand. Move your right shoulder back for your twist. Breathing low in your belly. And then release that back to center, back to cactus arms. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, twist the other way, maybe taking your right hand down to the knee. Taking deep breaths. And then release back to center. Good. Hands down on your knees for a little seated cat-cow. Inhale, tilt the pelvis forward, lift the chest, gaze up. And exhale, round your spine, pull the belly button in and chin to chest. 2 more like that. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. And now to release, we inhale 1 more time, shoulder blades squeeze, and then exhale, sit up tall. Bring one hand on top of the other on your chest. Close your eyes. and just rest a few moments in stillness. Notice if your energy shifted a little bit in these 5 minutes. And see if there is some kind of positive feeling that you can take with you into the rest of your day. Maybe a sense of ease, peace, or anything else that strikes you. Open your eyes, return to the real world. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this 5-minute reset, this 5 minutes of yoga and breathing, subscribe to my channel and you'll be notified each and every week when I release new yoga videos. Leave me a comment down below with how you feel. Thank you. Bye.